So how should you position one of your members or clients on camera? So when framing your testimonial videos, there are two ways to go about doing it. First is exactly like you see here, have them lined up, centered, right in the middle of the camera so they're looking at the camera. The second way is like, yes, I'm talking very professionally and we're doing it this way. I don't know why I just did that. This is what's called the rule of thirds. We're getting people, we're looking this way. But what is actually the correct way to do it? When it comes to testimonial videos, we are looking for one thing only, and that is how can we get people to connect at an emotional level with someone's on the camera. If you have someone who is actually sitting off to the side, feeling like they're looking off the camera to someone else, they're not looking directly at the viewer. So I highly recommend that you just have the person centered right in the middle of the camera. And one really important thing to note is when they're actually looking at the camera, let's say you're actually using a phone or you're doing it virtually, a lot of times people tend to look at the screen just slightly off center. Like you can see here, I'm not looking directly at the lens. That small part alone makes a huge difference. And if you want to run and go and do the, yes, I'm very professional and rule of thirds look, I'm totally cool with that. Just remember, we're looking for connection. We're looking for emotion. So making sure that someone's looking directly into the camera is going to make a much, much bigger difference than having something look professional and polished. How's your camera? That's still not good. The very on video.